These are some superfoods that are naturally antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Coconut oil, garlic, ginger, onions, and turmeric. When used in moderation, these are completely safe to use for your dog and they're extremely helpful in fighting infections, mild allergies, inflammation, and recovery from injury. I will be adding all of these to my dog's food, so keep watching as I prepare my dog's dinner. I have taken ginger, garlic, and onions, all in small quantity. After peeling off the skin and washing it really well, I put them in a pan to boil in order to extract their juices. Again, ginger, garlic, and onions are superfoods with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. You can also use a ginger garlic grater. There are many different ones out there, so I'll put a link below for a couple of ginger garlic graters for you to check if interested. Next, I'm adding very little salt in my dog's food, just a pinch of salt to enhance the taste. Salt is also a natural food preservative. The kind I use is Himalayan pink salt because it has 84 trace minerals that are essential for the body. Now I'm adding pieces of lamb meat and I let it cook with the juices for a while. I will flip the side of the lamb meat and stir the food so it all mixes together evenly. In a little while, I will also add brown rice, peas, carrots, and potatoes to it. It smells really good. My dog will like it. I will now add turmeric to the food. Turmeric is also a natural antibiotic, anti-inflammatory superfood. I use the organic turmeric powder, and I will have the link of the organic turmeric powder in the description box below. And then stir the food so it all mixes well together. The food is now cooked, and now it's time to prepare my dog's plate. I will separate the meat from the bone, and then I'll cut the meat into small pieces. Remove the ginger garlic pieces from the food. Now I'm adding the brown rice with peas, carrots, and potatoes, and then mix it all together. I am going to add 1 capsule of omega-3 fish oil supplement. When it comes to providing your dog with the right nutrients and vitamins, fish oil is one of the top supplements that your pet can take to boost their immune system and vitality. Omega-3 fish oil supplement will provide your pet with amazing joint support, healthy brain function, healthy skin and coat, improve heart health, as well as help the immune response and protect against the seasonal allergies. Check out the link below in the description box for omega-3 fish oil supplement for dogs.
They think food is ready.
If you found this video valuable, remember to hit that like button below, share it with your friends, comment below with any tips you may have or suggestions, or simply share your experiences that you may have had with your dog's health condition so that The community of dog owners who watch this video can benefit from the information. If you are new here, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to read your comments, and I'll see you soon.